Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect WooCommerce to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customer, content. Here you're going to find analytics, marketing, and discount. And then here you're going to find the sales channels. Right here you're going to find point of sales and also online store. And here you're going to find apps. So basically guys, right now, what you need to do is go to apps. And then once you go to apps, right here you're going to find all of your installed apps. And here under it, you're going to find all recommended apps and also app and sales channel settings. Go ahead and click on all recommended apps. And then once you're here, go to the bottom and here you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be redirected to the App Store right here. So once here, just go to the top. You're going to find the search bar, give it a click, and search for WooCommerce. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then you're going to find all of these results for your search. So once you're here, go ahead and choose Able Star WooCommerce Importer, migrate products, orders, and customers from WooCommerce. Give it a click. And after that, you're going to be here in the applications page. So once you're here, go ahead and click on install. And once you install the application, it's going to be added to your dashboard. So just click on open. And then you're going to be able to open the application. So once you're here in this page, as you can see, guys, all you need to do is add your WooCommerce site address right here, add your consumer key, and also add your consumer secret. Once you do that, click on Begin Migration, and then you're going to be able to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.